So I decided to do a thing tonight. I decided to try making bacon wrapped onion rings in the air fryer. I started off by slicing the onion and weighing out the rings. For 58 grams of onion, there are 5 grams of net carbs, so I wanted this to be specific because it's very easy for the carbs to add up. After you've wrapped the onion rings in bacon, you put them in an air fryer on 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Or you can do like I did. I put them in the air fryer on 390 for about 8 minutes, then I opened the drawer, put some G. Hughes sugar-free hickory barbecue sauce on them, put them back in, let it go another 5 minutes, and it had this delicious barbecue glaze. Here's the final result, and as you can see, they are beautiful, and the thing is, they taste really good. So for the whole entire plate there, the 3 onion rings, with the bacon and the 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce, it equals 6 net carbs. Not bad, it's very doable. In case you're wondering about the barbecue sauce, here's what it looked like, and it can be found at Walmart. #NotSponsored. Check out those nutrition facts and ingredients. Not too shabby. Thanks for watching.